Hey, little chefs! Today we're making banana pancakes, a yummy breakfast that's super easy to make. Ready? Let's go. You'll need 1 ripe banana, 1 egg, ½ cup of pancake mix, a pinch of cinnamon, optional, and a little butter or oil for the pan. Peel your banana and mash it up with a fork. Squish, squish, squish. Great job. Now crack your egg into the bowl and mix it all together. Stir, stir, stir. Next, add ½ cup of pancake mix to your bowl. Give it one more good mix until it's smooth. Time to cook. Heat a pan over medium heat and add a little butter or oil. Scoop some pancake batter onto the pan. Watch as it cooks. When you see little bubbles, it's time to flip. Look at that golden pancake. Flip it, cook for a few more seconds, and done. Yum! Stack up your pancakes and top them with extra bananas, syrup, or even some chocolate chips if you like. You did it! Banana pancakes are ready to enjoy. Happy cooking, little chefs!